We will continue this topic limits and derivatives, and today we will start the part 3. This part 3 is very interesting. In this we will do derivatives, or we can say the differentiation. Both are word is a similar word. Look here, this derivative we will represent by d by dx or by d. Okay, and here we have to write the derivatives of y with respect to x. Derivatives of y with respect to x we will write this way, dy by dx, or we can write this type dy by dx. Okay, next we will have here important formula, d by dx of x power n. So we write here n x power n minus 1. What is this formula? Look here, if you have the whatever the power x power n, this power you write first, then you write x as it is, and then this power you will reduce 1, means n you write n minus 1. We can check one example. Look here, if we have d by dx of x power 4, then we will write here this power is 4, so we write 4 as it is, and x power 1 less means 3, means x power 4 differential is d by dx of x power 4. We will say derivative of x power 4, or we can say differential of x power 4, and this is equal to 4x power 3. Same as it is if we have differential of x power 10. X power 10 means we write here 10 x power 9. Same as it is if we have a differential of 1 upon x power 5. 1 upon x power 5 is given, we will write this way, x power minus 5, and x power minus 5 differential will be this minus 5 as it is we write, and 1 reduce the power means x minus 5 minus 1, so we get this power is minus 6. We get minus 5 x power minus 6. Minus 6 you can write in this way also, minus 5 upon x power 6. Look here, differential of root x. Root x we can write x power 1 upon 2, and x power 1 upon 2 differential will be 1 upon 2 x power 1 upon 2 minus 1. 1 upon 2 minus 1 will be minus 1 upon 2. So we write this as a 1 upon 2 x power minus 1 upon, and this we can write again 1 upon 2 root x. Look here, differential of 1 upon x. 1 upon x we write x power minus 1, and this differential will be minus 1 x power minus 2, and this we can write minus 1 upon x square. So both formulae you have to learn that differential of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, and differential of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Differential of x is always 1, and differential of constant is 0. This we have to learn. Look here, if you have x power 2 by 3, this we can write 2 by 3, and x power 2 by 3 minus 1. So we will solve this. We will take LCM. LCM is 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 3. So we get here differential of x power 2 upon 3 is 2 upon 3 x power minus 1 upon 3. Look here, some algebra you have to understand. The differential of fx plus minus gx. This we can do the separate derivatives. First we do the differential of fx, then plus or minus, then differential of gx. Means if plus or minus given, then we can do direct separate differential we can do. Look here, if any constant is with the function, then we will not do the differential of constant. Constant you write as it is, and we do the differential of fx. Look here, if we have the differential of 7 x power 3, then 7 you will not do the differential, you write as it is outside, and you will do the differential of x power 3. X power 3 differential is 3x square. Now we multiply 7 3 is 21x square. So all of you understand, if any constant is with the function, we will take the separate, or we will not do the differential. Same as it is if you are given to you differential of k into fx plus minus r into gx. Look here, k and r are constant, then this constant we will keep as it is, and we will do differential of fx, then plus minus as it is we have, then r constant, so we keep outside, and differential of gx we will do. Look here, if we have the multiplication case, d by dx of fx into gx, then multiplication what we do, first we write fx is as it is, and we do differential of gx, then plus gx we write as it is, and differential of fx, or you can write first this gx differential of fx, and then you can write fx differential of gx. You can interchange also, there is no problem, and this is very important. Now you check the differential of fx upon gx. Divide dx of fx upon gx. If you have in division this denominator gx, first you do the square, okay, and keep in denominator. In numerator you will have gx, the gx as it is, and differential of fx minus fx as it is, and differential of gx. You can understand this formula in other way also, that differential we have numerator upon denominator. This in denominator we have denominator square, and then denominator numerator we have, in numerator we have denominator, and differential of numerator minus numerator as it is, and differential of denominator. So this way we will use this formula. Now we will do some question. Find derivatives of x square minus 2 8x equal to 10. Now x square minus 2 we will suppose y equal to x square minus 2. Now differential we do, we get dy by dx, and differential of x square we get 2x, and we have to find 8x equal to 10. So place of x we will put here 10. So 2 into 10 is 20. So derivative we get 20. Find the derivatives of x minus 1 into x minus 2. If you have this type, then you can write y equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2, and we will multiply these. X into x is x square, x into minus 2x, minus 1 into x is minus 1x, minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. Now you do the differential. Differential of x square is 2x. Differential of minus 2x is minus 2 into 1. Differential of minus 1x is minus 1 into 1, and differential of 2 is 0. This minus 2 and minus 1 we get minus 3. So we write dy by dx equal to 2x minus 3. Now we have to find the derivatives of x plus 1 upon x minus 1. Here we use the fx upon gx formula. So y equal to, first we write x plus 1 upon x minus 1. Now we write dy by dx equal to, in denominator we have the square of denominator x minus 1 square, and in numerator we have x minus 1 differential of x plus 1 minus x plus 1 differential of x minus 1. So this format we get dy by dx equal to x minus 1 dy by dx of x plus 1 minus x plus 1 dy by dx of x minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square. Now we x minus 1 is as it is, we write differential of this portion we do. So x differential is 1 and 1 differential is 0, minus as it is x plus 1 as it is, differential of x is 1 and 1 differential is 0. Now we multiply these by 1s, we get x minus 1. This we multiply by 1 x plus 1 as it is, we open the bracket. So x minus 1 and this minus x and minus 1 we get. X and x we can cancel, minus 1 and minus 1, minus 2 upon x minus 1 whole square we will get. For function fx equal to x power 100 upon 100 plus x power 99 upon 99 and so on up to this x square upon 2 plus x plus 1. Here we have to prove that f dash 1 equal to 100 f dash 0, means this is differential. Dash means here differential. So first of all this f dash x we will find here. So f dash x means differential of this we have to do. Differential both sides we do. X power 100 differential is 100 x power 99 and upon 100. The upon 100 as it is. X power 99 differential is 99 as it is, right, and x power 98 and this 99 as it is, right, so on up to x square differential is 2x and this 2 as it is, and x differential is 1 and 1 differential is 0. Now we can cancel this 100, 99, 99, 2 cancel. We will get here f dash x equal to x power 99 plus x power 98 up so on x and plus 1. Look here, now we put x equal to 0 and we find f dash 0. So place of x we put 0, 0, 0. What we get? X power 99 plus x power 98. All these are 0 and except this 1 we get. So f dash 0 we get here 1. Okay, and now we put x equal to 1. So f dash 1 equal to 1 power 99, 1 power 98, 1 and 1 we get. So these all 1, 1, 1, these we have all total 100. So sum of 1 is 100 we get. Now we have to prove f dash 1 equal to 100 f dash 0. So f dash 1 we get 100 and f dash 0 we get 1. So 100 into 1 is 100, means left hand side, right hand side both we get. So it is proved. All of you understand? Now look here, we have to find the derivatives of x power n minus a power n upon x minus a for constant a. We will take y equal to x power n minus a power n upon x minus a. And dy by dx will be, look here, first in numerator we have this denominator as it is x minus a, then differential of x power n minus a power n minus x power n minus a power n as it is, and differential of the denominator means x minus a whole upon, we will have the square of denominator means x minus a whole square. Now x minus a as it is we write, differential of x power n we do, this will be n x power n minus 1, and differential of a power n is constant. So constant, this is 0, okay, this is a constant, so we get differential 0. X power n minus a power n as it is I write, differential of x is 1, so 1 I write as it is. Now we open the bracket, means n x power n minus 1 we multiply by x, then we multiply by a, so we get here same as it is, minus x power n minus minus plus a power n, and this we write as it is. Now this x power n minus 1 we multiply by x, we get x power n, this as it is we write, this also as it is we write, this is our answer. All of you understand this? Now look here, we have to find the derivatives of x power minus 3 bracket 5 plus 3x. So we will take y equal to x power minus 3, and we keep here bracket 5 plus 3x, and now we multiply these, we get 5x power minus 3, this we multiply, we get 3x into x power minus 3. We will solve, we will get first part is as it is, second part means here 3x power minus 2 we get. Now we differential, we do differential will be equal to 5 as it is we write, x power minus 3 differential is minus 3 x power minus 4, and 3 as it is, and this differential is minus 2 x power minus 3, and we multiply, we get minus 15 x power minus 4, and this we get minus 6 x power minus 3. So this is our answer.